Okay guys, so I'm looking at this washing machine here, Samsung brand, and I'm observing over a period of time that the machine has not turning with any water. All right, so my understanding is this machine is not working the way how it's supposed to. Typically, if you go into washing or a laundromat rather, you will notice that most of these machines wash with a lot of water. But this one, it doesn't turn much with any water. Alright? Now, how can you wash a clothes or anything without water? It is just impossible. Alright? For the clothes to wash properly, there has to be water. So this machine has been using over a period of time, and it has been working without any water. So my understanding is that most of the time this machine don't wash the clothes properly. So what I'm going to be doing is see how much I can adjust on the water with the water level sensor. All right. So I'm going to open the unit and I'm going to make the adjustment so that the machine can wash properly. All right, because it is just impossible to wash clothes without water. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate that to you in the next few minutes. All right, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're looking at the washing machine from overview here, and we have the various components, but we want to look at one component in particular, and that is this water level controller. So what I'm going to do is just spin the adjustment on the knob right here. You see, we're showing you this little adjuster here. Alright, so looking close at it. So I'm gonna just make the adjustment here, and after which the water should be adjusted to the correct amount inside the front end motor. Alright, so just gonna do that just now, and then we're gonna run the machine for a second time. Alright guys, so we did the adjustment and just waiting to observe the performance of the washing machine. I want to know if the water level somewhat being adjusted to what I would like it to be. Alright, so just watching to observe how it's going to be performing in the next few minutes. Alright, now I have this machine running roughly 54 cycles. So I want to see how it's going to perform, and I'm going to be showing all the cycles. More or less, I want to see the amount of water that's going into the drum. Alright, so I'm expecting it, to be way more better than it was from the early adjustment. Alright, as you can see, water is being poured inside the drum. Alright, but it should give us at least more than what it was giving us earlier. So I'm just gonna watch and observe what that adjustment gonna look like. Should continue to add more water as it goes up in the cycle. Okay, can you see there's more water in comparison to how it was running earlier? So obviously the pressure adjustment has been made. Alright, so I might be able to get predetermined amount of water, which is roughly adequate for the clothes to actually be washed. Alright, as I said, water is needed in order to wash the clothes. Alright, and earlier I wasn't really getting any. So, this adjustment is looking good. Alright guys, so that's it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.